can get this and many other slimes at the link in the description below. I also will put a box right here saying the link of the name that you can click, and that brings us to our website. We, at our website, sell lots of different slimes, types of slimes, and you can even create your own slime with our DIY slime kits. On our website, it is easy, safe, and affordable. You can even talk or email with any of our workers, and they'll be happy to help you with choosing out your slime. Go to our website today and make sure that you check out some of our slimes that are easy to use and very, very affordable, from $1 to $6 in the description. Don't forget to leave a like, comment what slime you want us to show on this video next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get all of our notifications. Also, turn on our push notifications. Bye!